What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to see FPS in games with NVIDIA App. So firstly you want to download and install NVIDIA App on your PC. After you did that, you want to open it and you're going to go to settings. Here in settings at overlay you have NVIDIA overlay. You want to enable this so you can access the overlay. To access the overlay, all you got to do is to press on your keyboard Alt plus Z. After you open the overlay, what you're going to do is to scroll down till you see statistic in the bottom and you're going to click on it. Now what you want to do to enable the statistic is to check this box, and as you can see now in top corner we have the statistics. Also you can personalize the statistics. Now it's on basic, but you can choose from advanced. As you can see you have more statistic right here. You can choose custom and you can select which one you want. So for us, it's only the frame rate. As you can see now, the frame rate is not shown because we are not in a game. But if we join a game, we will see the FPS for that game. And as simple as that, you can use NVIDIA App to show FPS. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.